Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make cream and onion flavor, easy method. Start by combining powdered milk, dried onion, salt, and a touch of sugar in a bowl and whisk until uniform. Add garlic powder and chives, then slowly fold in maltodextrin or cornstarch for texture and stability. Toasting onion lightly boosts depth, and chilling the mix helps flavors marry before final tasting and adjustment for salt and tang. Gather ingredients: powdered milk, dried onion flakes, garlic powder, chives, maltodextrin or cornstarch, salt, sugar, and citric acid. Measure each item precisely on a scale or with spoons to ensure repeatable flavor every time you make it. Keep a small jar ready for blending and a separate container for testing. Using dried chives and controlled acid prevents sogginess and maintains a bright onion note in the final blend, so you get consistent. Combine measured powdered milk, dried onion flakes, garlic powder, chives, salt, sugar, and citric acid in a bowl and whisk thoroughly. If using maltodextrin or cornstarch, sift it in to avoid lumps and gently fold until smooth. Taste a small pinch and tweak salt or acid as needed. Transfer the blend to an airtight jar, label it, and let it rest overnight for flavors to meld before using on snacks, vegetables, or as a seasoning rub.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.